everyone. It is a Monday morning and I'm kind of ready to go. Got a great night's sleep last night. Just feeling good about this morning. Happy Monday. I'm hoping to make this Monday a little sweet, literally, for my team. I don't know if you can hear that shaking around, but brought a bunch of chocolate for my team. I've told you in vlogs past, I motivate my team by a steady stream of chocolate and candy. When I got up this morning, Allison actually reminded me that it is 10 days until my birthday, which I didn't even remember that event is getting so close. I guess now that I'm getting older, it's something I don't necessarily look forward to anymore. So we gotta figure out something to do with that. It's nice to step out of the office every once in a while. It's not often that I get to leave my desk for lunch, just because I'm so crazy busy all the time and I'd rather just eat my lunch over my computer, but lately I've been trying to get better about actually taking time to relax during the day. And I think you should too. Hey buddy. So I came down to the Riverwalk to eat some lunch and just kind of hang out. Took a call down here just because it's so beautiful. You've seen in past vlogs that I've showed some of the construction down further in the river, but this is the Chicago River and this is our Riverwalk. Pretty awesome. Kudos to you, Chicago. So Chicago's been growing so much lately. There's new buildings popping up all over the place. In the last like year or year plus, that building, that building, that building, all brand new. And they're building another one like right in front right here, so that should be interesting. Home. After getting home, I don't know if you can tell by the way I'm talking, I really don't feel good. I hate not feeling good. So I don't know what you guys do when you're sick, but I kind of swear by these things. And it's elderberry and zinc for immune system support. They taste like crap. They actually taste like if you put an ionized piece of metal in your mouth, which is zinc on metal. So I guess that makes sense. But they really help you.
Can I go right down in the bedroom?
Alright guys, I've been laying down for a couple hours now. I'm starting to feel a little bit better. You can probably hear it in my voice. It's a little bit better. I think I just needed a little bit of rest. Kind of been burning the candle at all ends this past week. But I'm feeling a little better now. I think I'm actually gonna try to go work out now. So I am gonna let you guys go and end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. See you tomorrow.